I don't think anybody would want to use so many different remote controls just to control the TV and the sound bar. In this video, I'm gonna show you one method that you could just use your TV remote control to control both the soundbar and the TV. If you look carefully, my TV is Sony and my soundbar is Samsung. So it doesn't matter what brands you're using, this method would still work. I use the TV remote control to turn on both the soundbar and TV at the same time. So I press the green button, and you can see on the screen it says checking the connection with external speakers, and the TV ARC on the soundbar has turned on at the same time. And just by using my TV's remote control, I can decrease and increase the sound on the soundbar. As you can see a message on the screen saying audio system volume minus and audio system volume plus when I increase the volume. And when I turn off the TV, the soundbar turns off as well. So just with one remote control, you are able to turn off the soundbar and the TV. In my previous videos, I have shown you how to connect the soundbar using auxiliary cable, HDMI cable, or optical cable. But only one of these cables is intelligent enough so that you would not need more than one remote control. And the winner is the HDMI cable. Why? Because when you connect the HDMI cable to the HDMI ARC on your TV and soundbar, your TV can communicate with your soundbar by sending signals to your soundbar, and then when you turn on your TV, your soundbar understands that the TV has turned on, so it also turns on. Likewise, if you turn off your TV using your TV's remote control, the soundbar also turns off, because the communication between HDMI ARC is two ways. That means soundbar can communicate with the TV and the TV can communicate with the soundbar. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to watch my other videos on my left and to subscribe to support my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.